For centuries, nations fought for land. Then they fought for oil. Then for information. But now, a new war has begun. A silent race. A technological revolution. A battle for artificial intelligence. Because in the 21st century, whoever controls AI may control the future of humanity. In California's Silicon Valley, some of the most powerful companies in human history are building the future. Artificial intelligence systems capable of writing code, creating art, driving cars, and transforming entire industries. Billions of dollars are being invested into AI innovation every single year. The new global superpowers may not be nations anymore, but technology companies. A new generation of billionaires now competes to dominate the AI revolution. The world's richest companies are racing to build systems more intelligent, more powerful, and more influential than ever before. Because whoever leads AI could shape the economy, politics, and military power of the future. In China, AI surveillance systems already monitor millions of people in real time. Facial recognition technology tracks movement across cities. Algorithms analyze behavior. Data flows through intelligent networks every second. Supporters call it efficiency. Critics call it digital control. But one thing is certain. The future of surveillance has already arrived. With one of the world's youngest populations, India stands at the edge of a massive technological transformation. From digital payments to AI startups, India is rapidly becoming a global innovation hub. Millions of young minds are preparing for an AI-driven future. But the challenge remains enormous. Can one of the world's largest workforces adapt quickly enough before automation changes everything? War itself is evolving. AI-powered drones can now identify targets automatically. Military algorithms process battlefield information faster than human commanders. Future wars may no longer depend only on soldiers, but on machines capable of making decisions in milliseconds. The next world war may begin without a single bullet fired. Cyber warfare powered by artificial intelligence can disrupt banks, power grids, communication systems, even governments. The battlefield of the future may exist entirely in the digital world. In the past, nations fought for natural resources. Today, the most valuable resource is data. Every search, every message, every online action. Artificial intelligence learns from billions of human behaviors every day. Because data is power. And AI feeds on information. What happens when governments begin relying on artificial intelligence for decision-making? Future AI systems may manage traffic, security, healthcare, economies, and even law enforcement. Some believe AI could eliminate corruption and inefficiency. Others fear humanity may slowly lose control. The AI revolution is no longer coming. It has already begun. Nations are racing. Corporations are competing. Machines are learning. And humanity stands at a turning point unlike anything in history. Because whoever controls artificial intelligence may control the future of civilization itself. As the world races toward an AI-powered future, one question remains. What happens to ordinary people when machines can do their jobs faster, cheaper, and without rest? In our next episode, The Last Human Worker, we uncover the industries being transformed by automation. From factories and warehouses, to offices, transportation, retail, and even creative professions. Millions of workers across the globe are facing a future unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Will AI create more opportunities? Or will it replace the very people who built the modern world? Find out in episode 3. If you enjoyed this documentary, please support the channel by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends and family, and subscribing to the Flying Art Films for more cinematic documentaries on artificial intelligence, innovation, science, history, and the future of humanity. And most importantly, leave a comment below. Do you believe AI will create more jobs than it destroys? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time. This is the Flying Art Films, where innovation meets creativity.